Welcome to Excon CE, biggest exhibition where Yanmar is participating with our product range made in India, made in Italy and also made in Japan. We are displaying our product range.
At Yanmar, we combine global engineering with Indian manufacturing strengths.
Excon is an event where the construction industry's real demands are met, and we are here as Yanmar to give a more dependable and a reliable product for our customers.
We are proud to showcase our engines and products. We bring with us more than 100 years of legacy in compact diesel engine space.
We are always committed to supporting India's growth. With our Japanese technology, quality, and strong partnership with you.
Our aim is to deliver a dependable products that support our customers' work every day. Excon is a good platform for us to present our technology and commitment to the market.
Thank you very much for joining us at Excon.